Usain Bolt as generous as ever in 2020, but also taking some heat. Living the dream, not without a downside.
Usain Bolt in giveaway mode in 2020, computers, printers and Wi-Fi services to schools, and drafting his celebrity pals over Christmas to bring relief like food and other necessities to folks in Trelawney under economic pressure because of the pandemic. This superstar living the good life while keeping the common touch. But Bolt getting flack earlier in the year after his surprise birthday party appeared to flout COVID restrictions.
People need to understand when they keep saying, you're saying. It was a surprise party for me, so I don't understand why everybody is trying to blame me about something. I was there having fun, but because my team is who they are, they made sure that all the guidelines were followed. This is what they told us, and we're on the right side. This is why it went nowhere, because they had nothing to say, because every protocol was followed.
Some people didn't have masks though.
Yes, we're not saying no, but the fact is what it is. You understand? We at a party, some people didn't have on every mask, but we walked around and sanitized everybody's hands and stuff, and they told us to do that. And you know, it's a party, people get hot, and it was in the morning and stuff like that, so we tried our best.
When the vaccine is available in Jamaica, are you going to get the vaccine?
When they say safe, yes. When they confirm that it's safe, definitely, because we still have to move around and work, and it's necessary to get the world back to where it was.
So you have doubts about the vaccine as it already exists?
I don't know. I'm just waiting, because it's just in the trial segment, you understand, to see what's what, and then we'll determine. But right now, we're just taking our time just like everybody else.
Just a kid from the country, living the dream.
As for NJ, a shaky start for his musical debut. But what do you think?
Never switch up, never switch up.
Give me a little acapella now. Let's see if Popcorn is right, and we have to auto-tune it. Come on, give it to us right now.
Just a kid from the country, living the dream. Just a kid from the country. Never switch up, never switch up. Life get heavy, keep pushing it up. Work so hard, never give up. Mama blessing, flow on us. All we want to do is make her proud. Make her boast about her son to crowd. Put in the work and we never ever stop. If you till the style, you must reap the crop. Standard set, it will never drop. Youth keeps rising to the top. Kid from the country.
Living the dream.
How is it doing, by the way, on social media? People are lapping it up, people are consuming this.
No, 12. That's it. Trending number 12.
So people are listening.
People are listening. Work hard every day, never change up the routine.